Today, I'll show you how to add HTML code in GoDaddy Website Builder. This is really useful if you want to embed things like forms, widgets, booking tools, or custom elements that aren't available in the standard sections. We'll keep it simple and clear so you can follow along even if you're not very familiar with code. First, make sure you're logged into your GoDaddy account and you've opened your website in the Website Builder editor. You should be on the page where you want the custom HTML to appear. Take a moment to decide exactly where on the page you want this content to show up, because that's where we'll place the new section. Move your mouse over the area where you'd like to add the code. As you hover, you'll see blue outlines or markers that indicate where a new section can be inserted. When you're in the right spot, look for a blue button that says Add Section with a plus symbol. Click that blue Add Section button. This tells the builder that you want to insert something new in that exact location, and it will open a panel with different types of sections you can choose from. On the right-hand side of the screen, you'll see a search bar that helps you quickly find specific section types. Click into that search bar and type the word HTML. After a moment, you should see an option labeled HTML appear in the list of available sections. This is the special section that lets you add your own custom code. Click on the HTML option to select it, and then click the Add button. The builder will now place an HTML section in the spot you chose on your page. You'll see a box or panel that looks a bit different from normal text or image sections. Instead of a text editor, it will show a space where you can paste or type code. Now it's time to add your actual HTML. Go to wherever your code is saved, whether that's a file, a code generator, or a snippet from another service. Highlight the entire block of code you want to use and copy it. Then return to the HTML section in GoDaddy Website Builder, click inside the code area and paste your code. Once the code is in place, give it a moment to load. Many embeds will show a preview so you can see how it will look on your site. If it doesn't appear right away, try switching between preview and edit mode or refreshing the editor tab. When everything looks correct, make sure to save your changes, and when you're ready, publish or update your site so the new HTML section is live for your visitors.